Renders of the Huawei Pocket 2 have just leaked. This is the next foldable that Huawei is preparing with a flip format, although Huawei has never used the name flip, unlike manufacturers such as Oppo or as Vivo, which have indeed used this name for foldables of this style. In Huawei's case, they first launched a Huawei P50 Pocket, although they later launched a special edition Huawei Pocket S, which was supposed to be a slightly more price-cut edition. So this device, despite not having the letter S, seems to follow the line of the Huawei Pocket S. That is, it will not be as expensive, but it will not have such a large external display, according to leaked renders. In these images, we get to see not only the round external display, which would continue with the same design line that we have already seen so far, but also reveals the purple color, the Rococo color, which debuted with the P60 series, which has been too nice and pretty. Finally, a more sober edition in black color. These images have been published by a Chinese leaker called Fixed Focus Digital. These foldables are expected to be presented later this month or at the latest in March. But let's keep waiting because for the moment it is nothing official. Remember that leaking is not presenting.